Weather and factors affecting weather, class 7th, chapter 7. Children, in the previous slide and video, I have mentioned about weather. I am repeating again. You must have watched on the television or read in newspaper about the flights being cancelled because of bad weather. And if during a cricket match the weather suddenly becomes cloudy followed by heavy rains, then we feel disappointed as the match has to be called off. On the contrary, fishermen consider a windy day to be lucky for them as it is favorable weather to sail on their boat and spread their net to catch fish. The weather, this is the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. Weather and climate. It is affected by the rotation and revolution of the earth. How it affects, now let us study about the rotation of the earth. Children, you know earth rotates around its own axis which is an imaginary line drawn through the earth center. Now this spin takes 24 hours to complete and the earth axis join the north pole, the imaginary center and the south pole. This is the imaginary line, not actually it exists. So this is about the rotation of the earth. Now the axis of the earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree with vertical line and 66.5 degree with horizontal line. So this is angle of inclination of the axis and it is always in the same direction. Our source of light and heat, this is the sun, which is stationary, means sun is not moving, it is fixed. And as the earth is spinning around its own axis as well as revolving around the sun. Only half of the earth gets light at any time, and the circle that separates dark portion from lighted portion, so this is called the circle of illumination. The diffuse light just before sunrise is called dawn, and the diffuse light before night set, it is called twilight. The length of time of twilight and dawn increases as we move from equator to the poles. Revolution of the earth. The earth revolves around the sun on an elliptical orbit. It is not circular orbit, it is elliptical orbit, means flattened, and it is not spherical. At an average speed 29.79 km per second. At this speed it takes 365.14 days to complete one revolution round the sun, and we have 365 days in a year, but every 4 years the extra quarter 1/4 part of the day adds up to become a full day. This brings the leap year with 29 days of February. Our earth receives rays of the sun and becomes warm. The parts of the earth that receive sun rays are hot and other parts are cool. The sun rays fall directly on the equator, so the regions closer to equators receives more heat and become warm. Also, the days are longer near the equator. On the other hand, polar regions receiving slanting rays of the sun. Hence, these parts are cooler. Hence, we can say that sun plays an important role in change of climate on the earth. Children, you can see in the figure elliptical orbit of the earth. This figure is also given in your book on page number 90. From you can see the elliptical orbit. The orbit of the earth, it is not spherical, it is elliptical, it is flattened. Okay. Now the distance of the sun from the earth varies between 147 into 10 power 6 kilometer to 152 into 10 power 6 kilometer. The tilt of the earth and insolation. The tilt, the earth axis is tilted, that we have discussed. The earth axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree with vertical line and 66.5 degree with the horizontal line. Now insolation. Insolation means the quantity of sun rays reaching the earth. The tilt of the earth as well as insolation affect the climate of the earth. The earth rotates around its own axis, which is an imaginary line drawn through the earth center. Now the earth axis joins the north pole, the imaginary center and the south pole. As the earth spins, only one half of it gets light at any time. The circle that separates dark portion from lighted portion is called the circle of illumination. This we have discussed in the previous slides also. Now diffuse light just before sunrise is called dawn, and the diffuse light after sunset is called twilight. The length of time of twilight and dawn increases as we move from equator to the poles. Now tilt of the earth always remains in the same direction. The polar regions get much less heat. The sun rays that reaches the poles are slanted and they have to travel longer distance of the earth atmosphere. At poles, an amount of sun ray covers a much larger area. Thus, the rise in temperature is much less. An important factor is that much of the solar heat in the form of radiation that reaches the ground in polar region is reflected back because of the ice cover. You will notice that when the north pole is tilted towards the sun, then it experiences, means north pole experiences arctic summer, and when north pole is tilted away from the sun, then it experiences arctic winter. When the part of the earth is tilted towards the sun, then the days are long and warm, and this is summer. When the part of the earth gradually moves away from the sun, bringing cooler weather, and this is autumn. As the part of the earth moves farthest from the sun, the days are shorter and cold, and this is called winter. We experiences spring as the part of the earth again begins to tilt towards the sun. Hence we can say that tilt of the earth and revolution of the earth cause change of seasons also. Children, you are seeing peak, and this peak is given on page number 91 of your book. This peak shows the tilt of the earth axis and rotation of the earth causes the variation in insolation and in the length of days and nights. The given figure show position of earth in its rotational orbit around the sun. Now effects of rotation and revolution. We know that the time period between sunrise and sunset, this is called day, while after the sun set till the sun rises again, it is called the night. And during the day we get sun rays, which are electromagnetic radiation and carry huge amount of heat energy. It is for this reason day temperature is higher than night temperature, as during the night we don't get direct sun rays. So night temperature is less as compared to day temperature. Children, try to understand when the part of the earth is tilted towards the sun, then the days are long and warm, and this is summer. When the part of the earth gradually moves away from the sun, this brings cooler weather, and this is autumn. As the part of the earth moves farthest from the sun, then the days are shorter and cold, and this is winter. And we experience spring as the part of the earth again begins to tilt towards the sun. Hence, we can say that tilt of the earth and revolution of the earth cause change of seasons also. Now, weather: hot, humid, cold, windy, dry, cloudy. These terms are used to describe weather. These are all parameters of weather and tell you what the weather is like. Weather changes have a great impact on our lives. When the weather is pleasant, then our mood is also pleasant, and we plan for going out from our home. So, before planning for activities like organizing a school sports or going out for vacation to a hill station, then it is important to know weather conditions in advance. Newspaper publish weather reports and weather forecasts daily for the benefit of all. Weather report: this is an integral part of the news bulletin in television and radio. The day to day atmospheric conditions at a place with respect to factors such as temperature, humidity, and rainfall is called weather. Weather conditions are temporary and can change over short period of time. Weather forecasting: this is one of those activities that unite nations in a common effort from which people benefit worldwide. It is based on the reading made by the meteorological department, which studies various aspects of weather scientifically. The daily weather report carries information of temperature, humidity, and rainfall. The report includes weather conditions that prevailed the previous day and a forecast for the current day. You all have watched the weather report on television, where the satellite pictures of the earth tell us where a storm is blowing, which places are expected to have rainfall or snow, and which places will have calm and pleasant weather. Now, some weather tips or preventive measures. Don't look at the sun directly. Prefer to stay indoor during a bad weather. If you are outside during a thunderstorm, stay away from tall objects like electric poles and tall trees. Stay on the lowest floor of the building during a cyclone. Now, on the right hand side, you are seeing pick, and these picks are of newspaper news cutting for the 7 days. Now, we can define weather as the day to day conditions of the atmosphere at a particular place at a given time. The factors or elements determining the state of atmosphere at a place. So these include temperature, air pressure, humidity, rainfall, and conditions of sunshine. Weather conditions are temporary and can change over short periods of time. You must have experienced thunderstorms and spells of heavy rain. After a bright sunny day, or in other words, the weather phenomena is quite unpredictable.